The episode starts with Devi Ahilya saying, I want to say something. Shantaram did wrong with Krishna. He should apologize to her first. Yuvraj Khanderao nods. She asks Shantaram to apologize to Krishna in front of them. Krishna says, no need. Devi Ahilya says, it's needed. Shantaram does not say anything. Yuvraj Khanderao says, I will punish him that any man will think 100 times before disrespecting any woman. He punishes Shantaram with a lifetime sentence. Shantaram cries. Gunuji tries to calm Yuvraj Khanderao. Gotmarani Sahib looks for Devi Ahilya. She says Devi Ahilya and everyone are not here. Where did they go? Krishna apologizes. She says, I am thankful for supporting me and worrying for me. I request you not to punish Shantaram. He is my husband. I cannot see this happening with him. Yuvraj Khanderao says, if we leave him, then we do not know what he will do with you. She says, I just wanted that the same thing does not happen with Gomti. I have no other expectations. I was afraid of my family breaking and stayed quiet. Anyways, I got crazy now. I will take Gomti with me and go somewhere. Devi Ahilya says, you have tortured her and broke her confidence. Even then, she is pleading for your freedom. A woman cannot see anything wrong happening with her husband. Nobody in the village likes you. Everyone sees you with hatred. It's just Krishna who accepted your anger and bad behavior. She loves you a lot even today. Your real punishment is that you lose a woman like Krishna. She says, Yuvraj Khanderao will decide it now whether he sends Shantaram free or put him in jail. Shantaram will stay alone all his life. Shantaram cries. He apologizes to Krishna. Krishna and Gomti cry. He says, I will die without you and Gomti. I do not want to live alone. Forgive me. Krishna says, don't say this. He apologized to Gomti. Gomti also apologized to her. She says, I did not want you to get you punished. I wanted you both to love each other and respect each other like Devi Ahilya and Yuvraj Khanderao do. Devi Ahilya asked Yuvraj Khanderao, would you give a chance to Shantaram? Shantaram apologized to her. He says, I would not do wrong. I will keep my responsibility well. She forgives him. She asks Yuvraj Khanderao if he permits the law against domestic violence. Yuvraj Khanderao asks Gangoba to get the papers. Gotmarani Sahib asks where did all the servants go. The servant says all the servants went to the darbar. Devi Ahilya is getting justice for Krishna. Yuvraj Khanderao says, I permit Devi Ahilya's revolutionary law. I announce that it will come into effect from now. The ladies chant Devi Ahilya's name. Devi Ahilya thanks them. Yuvraj Khanderao signs the papers. Gangoba reads the law rules against domestic violence. Gunuji gets angry. Yuvraj Khanderao and Devi Ahilya smiles. She feels uneasy. He holds her. Vaidji checks Devi Ahilya and says everything is fine. There is nothing to worry. He leaves. Gotmarani Sahib says, you have made a new rule for Malwa women. Good. But from now, you would not go out of your room. It's my command. Yuvraj Khanderao says, you would not take any responsibility now. Malhar Sarkar comes and says, you do not let such need arise that she has to go to Darbar again. He meets Devi Ahilya. He asks, how are you? She says, good. Malhar Sarkar says, Yuvraj Khanderao, you did good by accepting that new law. But why did Devi Ahilya need to go to the Darbar for this law? The servants talk of Devi Ahilya and praise her for bringing the law into action. Parvati says, it's time for the lunch. The lady says, lunch will be made for time. We want to make something special for Devi Ahilya. Can you help us in decorating the plate? Parvati nods. She gets angry seeing them and asks them to do all such things after cooking the lunch. Dwarka Bai looks on.